Good morning, students. This is once again your Srijita ma'am with your English literature class. Hope you are all staying fit, having healthy diet and staying at home. And now I think you are enjoying your live classes. I am trying to do it better for you. Hope you like it. Okay. Lastly we were discussing about the fourth lesson. Means I have started the fourth lesson with you all. Fourth lesson means the story of Pandora and the Hope Fairy. It is the story about Greek mythology, which I have explained you before, and I have also told you how Pandora got so many pains on her. For the second time, she got another tap inside the box, and there she found a sweet voice who was continuously telling her to open the box and let the sweet voice come out of the box, isn't it? But although the sweet voice was continuously telling Pandora to let her out so that she can come out to see the world and she can spread her wings, right? But Pandora was not willing to let her out. This you must be knowing, right? Pandora doesn't want this particular sweet voice to come out of the box to spread more troubles to this world. Pandora thought that this sweet voice can be the brother or sister of those evil spirits or those ugly monsters and can spread or add more troubles like more pains, greediness, death, all these things to this world, to the world of human beings. Okay, so Pandora was not willing to open the box and let her come out, right? But although she doesn't want, she somehow got more curious and wants to open the box, not knowing what will happen further, but she had opened the box. As soon as she opened the box, what has happened? Uh, an angel, a fairy, you can say, an angel or a fairy comes out of that box, spreading her wings, and was hovering or moving, you can say, all around the house at over Pandora's head. Okay. While flying all over the room, what this sweet voice was doing, she was throwing ribbons of light wherever she went. She flew to Pandora with her soft wing. She lightly touched her where Pandora got stung. Okay, and all at once, Pandora's pain was gone. So, this thing only has happened. Okay. Then she kissed Pandora on her forehead. Then this sweet voice, then this fairy has kissed Pandora over her forehead. She fluttered around her brightly and she was full of laughter. So she flied all over the room, all over the house. Brightly means she was very much bright with colors. Okay, very much bright with colors, lights. Okay, and was laughing so loudly. So this thing has happened till this much. Okay, now we will start the next part of the story. So let us start. Students must be following the book with pencil along with them. Now see, Pandora could not take her eyes off the fairy. So, what has happened? Pandora could not take her eyes away. Off means away from this particular fairy. Means this particular fairy was so beautiful that Pandora cannot move her eyes away from her. Okay. A look at her was worth all the troubles in the world. Now it is telling that a look at her means a look at this particular fairy was worth means was worthy enough. Worthy enough means important enough, you can say. All the troubles in the world means in means according to Pandora at that time the world is full of troubles, full of pains. So although there are so many troubles in the world, but among those troubles to look at that fairy is very much worthy enough, is very much important enough, right? Now see how terrible it must have been for her to stay shut in a box. But who was she? Now Pandora was thinking that how terrible it must have been for her to stay shut in a box. Now Pandora was thinking within herself that it must be very much terrible enough to stay inside the box, to shut herself inside the box, like this little fairy, by like this angel. Okay, she must be having lot much of trouble in staying inside the box. Okay, that thing only Pandora was thinking. But who was she? Pandora do not know who was this little creature. Okay, who was this sweet voice? Who was this fairy? Okay. Who are you, little fairy? Pandora asked her. Now, who are you, little fairy? Pandora asked her. She do not know. Call me Hope, said the fairy. Now, this particular fairy is telling that call me Hope, call me as Hope. That means it may happen that the fairy's name is Hope, and the fairy is telling that call me with the name of Hope. Okay, said the little fairy. Said the fairy, not little, we do not know it is little or not, but said the fairy. Yes, there will be troubles in the world, but we will also have happy times and the world will go on. Now, see what this little fairy was telling. The little fairy was telling that yes, there will be troubles in the world, but we will also have happy times and the world will go on. So, the little fairy was telling that yes, in our lives there will be full of troubles in the world, but we will also be having happy times in our life. The world will go on like this. So, students, you must be knowing this by your own only, that sometimes in your lives also it has happened, it happens all the time. Sometimes you may feel now that your timing is going wrong, now your timing is going bad, or you may think that now you're feeling unlucky. But do you really think that this particular bad time or unlucky time or sad time is continuing in your life throughout? Can you understand what I am telling? Suppose I am giving one example. Suppose for 2 or 3 days or little bit more than that, you people are getting scolded by your parent or mother or father, whoever it is. Okay, but do you really think that your parent is scolding you more than that? More than that means more than those days? No, na. This is not continuing. So the bad times or the unlucky times, or I'm giving another example. This example is the previous example that I have given, it is a bad example, leave it. Suppose in your life it has happened as such that you have got less marks in a particular subject. right? Suppose in half yearly you have got less marks in a particular subject, but do you really think that you will be getting such less number of marks in the next exam also? No, na. So the same thing over here also. It is telling that bad times or the unlucky times will go away. It will not stay in our life. The world will go on like this only. We will be having our bad times along with the happy times also. Means if your result in a particular exam is less in number, the next time you will obviously get a better result, you will get a better number, isn't it? So we must be having some hope within us. You must be knowing what is the meaning of hope. So that the thing is like that, we must be hoping for the best, isn't it? If we do not hope, we will not get anything better. So we have to hope throughout our lives. We cannot be hopeless. We always have to be hopeful, isn't it? Um, Today, in this world, in this situation, you must know that we people are facing such a pandemic disease, that is coronavirus, that is COVID-19, right? But we should not be leaving our hope, isn't it? This is such a bad time that we are passing through, isn't it? But happy times will be coming. Happy times is already on its way. So we need to have hope within us. This is the rule of the world. Bad times will come definitely, but happy times will also be coming. It must come. We must overcome our bad times with the happy times. But this happy times will also not be continuing. Again, bad time will come. Again, happy times will be coming. So, this is the thing. This is what the fairy is telling. This is the rule of the world, that yes, there will be troubles in the world, but we will also have happy times and the world will go on. So, this is the thing that the fairy is telling, that it is the way that the world will go on. We will be having troubles in the world, but we will also be having happy times. So, can you understand till this much? Now, see what she is telling. Troubles would have got into the world anyway. Besides, if you hadn't opened the box, someone else would have done so. Now it is telling that troubles would have got into the world anyway. It is telling that suppose suppose a bad time have not come to your life yet. Okay, suppose you think that a bad time have not come to your life yet. But if it has not come to your life, it may come to some other's life. Means suppose you are not having a bad time yet. Okay, but your friend may get a bad time. It may happen to anybody. So the same thing is telling over here, troubles would have got into the world anyway. Means trouble can come into the world anyway. Means by anyhow, by anyone, the trouble can come inside the world. Okay. Besides, if you hadn't opened the box, someone else would have done so. Means the Hope Fairy was telling to Pandora that if you hadn't opened the box, hadn't opened the box means hadn't opened the box for the first time. It is explaining that if you hadn't opened the box for the first time, instead of you, somebody else could have opened the box. The same thing happened. So the same thing could happen. Troubles can come out into the world at any way. So can you understand what I am telling? It is telling that if Pandora would not have opened the box, somebody else could have opened the box, and those troubles could have come out into the world to disturb the world. Okay, so that is only what I was telling is, if you people, if you do not have any such troubles in your life, somebody else can have, isn't it? The same thing it is. But this trouble will not go on through your entire life. We must be having hope within us. We will be having happy times within us. This is the rule of the world. Okay. So now see what this fairy is telling. But why were you shut up in the box of troubles? Pandora asked. Now Pandora is asking, but why were you shut up in this box of troubles? Means, according to Pandora, that particular box was of troubles, as so many troubles came out of the box. So Pandora was asking that fairy that why you were shut up in that particular box. Okay. Why to give you hope in the middle of all these troubles? Don't you see? Said Hope. See what the Hope is telling? Why? To give you hope in the middle of these troubles. Don't you see? So the Hope is telling, why? You don't know why I was there in the box of troubles? I was there in the box of troubles to give you hope in the middle of all these troubles. So, the fairy was telling that she was there inside that particular box in order to give little bit hope. Little bit hope of what? Little bit hope of happy times to Pandora in the middle of all those troubles that she had got. So this is the hope that we must be having happy times. So whenever we are having some troubles in our lives, you must be thinking, you must be, or rather we must be hopeful enough, we must be thinking about the happy times that will definitely come to our lives. So this is the thing what this Hope fairy was telling, that she was there inside the box in order to give hope to Pandora in the middle of all these troubles that she was suffering then. Okay. Now see, do you mean we can have some fun in spite of all these troubles? Now Pandora was again asking, do you mean that we can have some fun in spite of all these troubles? Now Pandora do not know. Pandora at that time doesn't have any hope at all. Pandora at that time cannot think about the happy times. So, getting confused, Pandora was asking to the Hope Fairy, that means what are you telling? You are telling that we can have fun also in spite of all these troubles. Means Pandora was asking to the Hope Fairy that means you are telling that we can also have fun, we can also have happy times, though I have troubles all over. Okay, so Pandora was asking the Hope Fairy that though we have so many troubles, though I have so many troubles in my life, then also there will be hope, there will be some fun, there will be some happy times that will be coming. Okay. Yes, said Hope, smiling. The fairy replied as yes. She was smiling then. I will make sure that you have enough fun and more. Now the fairy was telling that I will make it sure for you that you will be having enough fun and more in your life. Okay. Let those troubles do their worst. We shall do quite well. Now the fairy is also telling, let those troubles do their worst. Do their worst means do their wrong things. So she was telling that let those troubles do whatever they feel like, but we will also do quite well. Okay. Your wings are just like the rainbow, Pandora exclaimed. How beautiful! Now, Pandora exclaimed means surprised, amazed. Okay. So, Pandora's Pandora was surprised, Pandora was amazed by looking at this particular fairy's wings. Okay. She was telling, your wings are just like rainbow, means your wings are so beautiful that it is looking like rainbow. It is so beautiful. Okay. And so will your hopes be beautiful like the rainbow, said the fairy. So the fairy is now telling, and so will your hopes will be beautiful like the rainbow. So the fairy is telling that as my wings are so beautiful like rainbow, your hopes means Pandora's hopes will also be beautiful like the rainbow. Okay, so she is telling that whatever Pandora will be hoping for herself will also be beautiful like the rainbow. They will be made of smiles and tears as the rainbow is made of light and water. Now, the fairy is also telling that they will be made of this. They means hope. Hope of whose? Hope of Pandora. Okay. So, this fairy was telling that your hopes will be made of smiles and tears, means you must be knowing that sometimes when we feel so much of laughter, so much uh, when we people laugh so loudly, at that time our tears also comes out, some water droplets comes out of our eyes, isn't it? So that thing only it is written, the your hope will be made of smiles and tears, means it will be full of smiles, and tears means tears due to smile, not the tears for sadness, something like that. No, hope fairy is telling all about having hope, not for sadness. She was talking about the happy times, not the bad times. Okay. So she was telling that your hope will be made of smiles and tears as the rainbow is made of light and water. So she was also telling that the rainbow is made of light and water. So as the rainbow is made of light and water, like that your hope will also be made of smiles and tears. Right. Whatever you are made of, said Pandora, you must be with us forever and ever. But will you? Pandora is now asking. Pandora was now telling to the Hope Fairy that whatever you are made of, means whatever you are made of means with whatever things you are made up of, but you must be staying with us forever and ever. Pandora was telling to the fairy that whatever you are you made out of, but you must stay along with us. Stay along with us means stay along with the human beings forever and ever. But will you? Will you means but will you stay with us? Do you want to stay with us? Okay, we can't go on living in this world without you. Now Pandora have understood that without hope, without this particular fairy, we cannot stay in this world. Now, can you only tell now, students, can we ever stay without hope? If we do not hope for anything good, can we stay? Can we stay alive? No. We have to hope for better things, for better life. Okay. So, Pandora now understanding the worthiness of Hope Fairy. She is asking that you are supposed to stay with us forever and ever. But will you stay with us? We can't go on living in this world without you. She is asking she is telling to this particular fairy that we cannot live in this world without you, means without hope. She is telling that without hope we cannot stay in this world. So you have to stay with us forever and ever. But will you stay with us? Okay, so Pandora is telling such things. I will be with you as long as you need me, Hope promised. Now, Hope has promised to Pandora that she will be staying with Pandora as long as she needed her. So, can you understand? Hope now promised to Pandora that she will be staying with Pandora as long as Pandora needs her. As long as Pandora requires her or needs her, means to whom? Hope. So the thing what it is telling is, as long as we will be having hope within us, hope will stay with us, otherwise hope will go away. So have you all understood till this much, right? We will need you as long as we live in this world, said Pandora. Now, what Pandora was telling? That Pandora was telling that we will need you as long as we live in this world. Now, as long as we means us, we means we human beings. So, Pandora was telling that as long as we human beings are staying in this world, we will need you all the time. We will need hope all the time. Okay. I promise never to leave you, Hope said gently. Now, in a very gentle voice, in a very soft voice, Hope was telling to Hope told to Pandora that she promises never to leave her. Hope promises never to leave Pandora ever. Okay. Never, asked Pandora. She could not believe this. Now Pandora, not believing that whether this Hope Fairy will be staying with her throughout her life or not, she was again asking her, never, asked Pandora. Never means never you are going to leave me. Never you are going to leave us, leave the human beings. Every time, ever, forever and ever, you are going to stay with me or stay with the human beings. So she is asking that never you are going to leave us, never you are going to leave me. She, as Pandora, could not believe this. Okay. The fairy said again, Hope will never leave you. The fairy again told to Pandora that hope will never leave you. Hope will always stay with you. Okay. There may be times when you feel that I have vanished, but again and again and again, when you least dream of me, you will see the glimmer of my wings on your ceiling. Okay, let's see what the Hope Fairy is telling. The Hope Fairy is telling that hope will never leave you, hope will never leave us. There may be times when you feel that I have vanished, means there may be some times when we will be thinking, when Pandora will be thinking that I have vanished. I have vanished means Hope Fairy have vanished. But again and again and again, when you least dream of me, again and again, when you means when Pandora least dream of me, means least means little bit of, least means little bit of. So again and again and again, when you hardly dream of me, hardly dream of me means little bit of little bit dream of me, little bit dreamt of me, hardly dream of me, dream of me means dream of Hope Fairy. You will see the glimmer of my wings. Glimmer means, see, in the meaning portion it is written a soft flickering light. A soft flickering light means flicker. You know what is flicker? Now this flicker means shining, shining brightly. Okay, so the Hope Fairy was telling that you will see me, the glimmer of my wings on your ceiling. So you will see me, you will find me, the shining brightly of my wings on your ceiling. Means ceiling, you know, na, roof of a house. So you will find me in the on the ceiling of your house, shining very brightly. So over here the Hope Fairy said again that she will never leave Pandora. There may be some times when Pandora may feel that Hope Fairy have gone vanished, but again and again and again, when Pandora will be least dreaming of, hardly dreaming of Hope Fairy, she will find, Pandora will be finding that Hope Fairy was shining brightly with her wings on the ceiling of her house. So the story is telling over here that there may be times when we will be thinking that hope has gone vanished in our lives, means it is all over bad times, but when we have not thought of hope right at that moment, but there will be hope for us shining on the ceiling of the room. We must be hopeful for that reason. Okay, and ever since that day, hope has stayed with human beings. See, it is written that from that very day onwards, hope has stayed with human beings. So it is written that from that very day onwards, hope for all the time, forever and ever, stayed with human beings and have never gone away. So this is the thing that I want to you people, I want to tell it to you people, that though we are passing through such a situation, that is coronavirus itself, we must be having hope. We cannot lose our hopes. We must be having hopes. We must feel that happy times must be coming to our lives, and happy times is on its way. It is coming to us, but it is taking time. So we must be having hope in our lives. Okay, so I think the story is clear to you people. I have already completed the story. Um, if you have any doubt, students, you can always discuss in the Google Classroom. You can discuss in the live classes. No issues, you can write over there. Um, I think if you listen to this particular video, your doubts will almost be clear. So try it. Okay, thank you, students.